In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp to your iPad. The first thing we need to do is to open the App Store. Once we've done this, you want to click on the search icon in the top navigation bar, and then you want to search for WhatsApp. Once you've done this, it should be the top result, which will look like this. You can scroll down to view more information about it. However, to download it, you want to scroll to the top and you want to click on the Get button. However, mine shows the cloud icon because I've downloaded this in the past. Now we've downloaded the application, we can exit out of the App Store, and now we can go ahead and open the WhatsApp that we just downloaded. When you open it for the first time, you'll be taken to the welcome screen, so you want to select continue, and then you need to log into your WhatsApp account. To log into an account from another device, we first need to open the WhatsApp application. Then you want to click on settings in the bottom navigation bar. From here you want to tap on link devices, and then you want to select link device. This is going to open your phone camera, so you want to select OK, and now you need to go ahead and scan the QR code on the iPad screen. Once you've done this, it will now start transferring data to your iPad. Now it's going to ask me if I want to allow notifications for WhatsApp, so I'm going to select continue, and then I'm going to select one of these options. Now I've done this, as you can see I've successfully logged into WhatsApp and I can start using it just as I normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.